Hello, everybody. My name is Annie, and my name is Nicolas, and today I will tell you about malaria, the deadly bite of mosquito. In this presentation, I will tell you about the three main points. The first is some information of this disease. The second, I will tell you about the cases and the deaths of this disease. And finally, we're gonna know about how does malaria spread in our body. Let's go straight to the first point, the information of this malaria. This disease is a serious disease because they cause by a parasite in the mosquito. Most people get malaria from the bite of an infected mosquito. And it can be a deadly disease if not diagnosed and treated quickly. So if you're starting treatment as soon as possible, can often prevent the severe illness and death. Let's move to the next point. I will tell you about the cases and the deaths. And look at the chart. The chart shows the number of malaria cases in over the world from 2022 to 2024. And as you can see in the chart, 2023 is the year with the highest number of malaria cases with 263 million cases. That's quite a lot, right? And look at the pie chart. This just shows the percentage of the deaths in the world. So, for example, we have 99.8% of the cases can recover, but 2.0% of the cases will die. Now look at this. This is the number of deaths in the world. So as you can see that the highest number of malaria deaths is in the year of 2020 with 600 set to 27,000. Now, this is in Vietnam, our country, right? As you can see that the number of cases also in 2020 and is gradually decreased. But let's look at this, the deaths. Although the number of the cases is decreased, but the deaths is increased, right? And we have the highest number of malaria deaths in Vietnam. It is in 2023 with 2 cases of death. Now, let's move to the final point. How does this disease spread in our body? Why is it so dangerous? So look at this. You can see the mosquito, right? This mosquito is really hungry and he's finds somebody arms and then he got bit. The patient is bitten. As you can see, they have 6 stylus and they use this 6 stylus to suck our blood. And when the mosquito bites us, a parasite called Plasmodium go into our blood and they travel straight to the liver. In the liver, they developed and then they continue to travel in our body and then they will attack the blood cells, especially the red blood cell. And in the red blood cell will explode. When the blood cells explode, more and more parasites will release into our body. And they cause some symptom like the patient will have a fever, they will feel had a headache, they will feel pains in their ankles, and they get sick. So that's the end of my part. Thank you for listening. Now is the next part of my friends.